Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoke. Kaizer Chiefs ke trainile laphana eCongo. Umdlali weKaizer Chiefs uLebohang Maboyi uthe excited kakhulu ukuthi adlale laphana kuKaizer Chiefs noma abuye laphana eCongo. Uthi ke bafuna ukubuya la eSouth Africa nama positive results. Kusho ukuthi bamisele ngempela bafethu ukuthi benze izinto zenzeke laphana eCongo. We can't wait ukubabona abafana ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. Yeah, good luck to Kaizer Chiefs overall. Bane squad exciting, bane depth kakhulu laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, so they have no reason ukuthi bangawathola ama-results. Well, sike sakhuluma earlier on ngale ndaba le ukuthi ezibhlungu ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ngeke sikwazi ukuyibukela live e-TV because of inkinga zama-broadcasting rights, but ke leyo nto leyo akumelanga ibacindezela abafana. They just have to try and get the result by all means necessary. I think if they can try and get away goal, leyo nto le izobaphusha ngempela, izobamotivate ukuthi mebeze home mele bawine igame nje normally or bangaconcede ngapha at home. So bona ukuthi izinto zizobahambela kanjani. Abantu abaningi bathi uPeterson kumele avimbe laphana kuKaizer Chiefs, bathemba yena uPeterson. At the same time siyazi ukuthi uNtwari une-experience ku-continental level, ujwayele ukudlala ku-international team laphana. Asazi ukuthi yena uzoyithatha kanjani lo nto lo Ntwari, cause ilo eyinkosi yami, lo muntu uyawubanga umsindo. I-coach yakhe laphana yase-Rwanda ku-national team ithi uyadeserve ukudlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because ubona uNtwari as u-goalkeeper, almost the most talented goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So uyamangala ukuthi umdlalo wakhe akadlali kanjani cause uyamazi ukuthi usuper exciting, usuper talented. Ayisibonile laphana ku-clip bafethu, esibona ukuthi indawo yakhona questionable, but ke abadlali ba-ready. I mean abo-Gaston Sirino nabo banayo experience ku-continental level. Umdlalo uzobe ebheke kakhulu bafethu uLilepo udlala kwela kubo. He has something to prove. Obviously some of abangani bakhe maybe ama-family members, they will travel ukwazi ukubukela umfana babona ijourney yakhe, because of ijourney yakhe imbuyisela back to kwela kubo bafethu ukuthi uzokwazi ukuhlangana nabantu abanye abamthandayo on the personal level. So iKaizer Chiefs ibonile already, bekune-media buzz around bona laphana mebejima, kusho ukuthi ngibonile khona la bekune-media and then yaphinde yanyamalala futhi media, but yeah, what a team bafethu, what a team. Sibafisela inhlanhla overall. Kahle kuzodlala bani? It's a beginning of the journey for ama-co-coaches weKaizer Chiefs. So first game yabo laphana ba fully in charge after baba announcile laphana Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi manje yibo abaphethe intambo kuKaizer Chiefs overall bafethu. So sibafisela inhlanhla njengoba bengishilo. Danko, ngingakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.